Fayhee.
Good evening. I'm Lori Fayhee, and I keep hearing that this board is working to improve its image, its public image, and to increase the support of our community. But your actions are speaking louder than your words. Stakeholders have asked for increased transparency, and you continue to hold untelevised workshops at 2 in the afternoon. I attended a recent untelevised backroom workshop on hiring a new board attorney and on moving the date for the superintendent's contract renewal, both which would deny voices to the new board members. We could have 4 new members this fall. The board attorney and superintendent contracts should be for a maximum of 1 year prior to the new board elections to ensure good working relations with the new board. Please bring our board together, don't divide them before they start. We've seen previous boards make this mistake, and it didn't go well for improving their image. At the same workshop discussing renewing the superintendent's contract for 3 years, the board chair suggested several ways to eliminate public comment of the very stakeholders who elected and paid the board salaries. If you listen to the community, you don't need to pay for expensive surveys and marketing. Today's workshop, which was untelevised again, highlighted spending large sums of money for a survey and the creation of a new branding initiative and marketing scheme, which did not create more confidence in the board's financial savvy. Nor is your decision to spend unknown thousands of taxpayer dollars on 4-color ads and a massive marketing plan to convince the taxpayers to give the district more money. I'm concerned, too, that this marketing and the brochures related to the half-penny sales tax could be in violation of state statute 106.113. And I have a copy of that for you, Mr. Martin, and for the board. The statute states that public funds for political advertisement concerning a referendum that is subject for the vote of the electors is not allowed. You're not allowed to use public tax dollars for that. We don't know where the money's coming from, but if we have some extra to spend, maybe we should give it to the substitute teachers. Again, if you really want to improve your image, show us, please.